Sup guys and gals, this is Indigo Dude back with another video. In this video I will be showing you how to do a bird. Also in the last video I made a doggy. So if you want to check that out, I will put a sort of link, card, whatever you want to call it, in the video. So be sure to check that out if you haven't already, but let's get straight into it. So this is going to be almost all the time. We are going to begin with a circle for the head. So I think I'm going to move it a bit closer. Okay, so now we do the body, which is a bit of a very thin oval, and we are going to, off that, make 2 legs. This time I am going to make the video a bit shorter, because the last video took so long to upload and edit. It was way too long. So yeah, I'm going to try and do that this time. Now the face is really the same, whatever parrot you're doing, or bird. Why did I just say parrot? What the heck? Now we are adding a beak. Really cute little beak. Now 2 round beady eyes. You might want to add eyebrows. Or even make the beak smiling. Oh yes, that's a good idea. And now we are going to add 2 wings. We are going to begin with 2 ovals if we are doing... Oh, that's bad. I'm going to even that out. And we are going to sharpen them to make them into semicircles or semicircles. Now we will make the body a bit better. It's going to sort of be this bigger shape. Now we are going to make the legs bigger, and these 3 lines are going to get way fatter. So basically now we're making it all fatter. And I think to make it a little cuter, you might want to add 2 feathers on its head. Oh yes, that's good. Now we are going to refine the lines. Okay, now we have refined the lines. Yeah, so as we have refined the lines, now as I didn't do in the last video, unfortunately, we are going to rub out all the pencil with a rubber. It's pretty simple. You might want to get a bigger rubber to get it quickly. So yeah. Kingswood # non-sponsored. Okay, now that you have got rid of the construction lines, it looks way better, doesn't it? Now dudes, when it comes to coloring this, there are so many possibilities. Like, you could do a parrot, possibly an owl, but you kind of need a different design for that, and so yeah, I'm just gonna do a parrot. So yeah, let's see the finished results in 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, so here we have it, boys and gals, our finished parrot. Now I'm just gonna label it parrot. Episode 2. So yeah, that'll be all, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe to let me know that you enjoyed the video. And again, I have another channel I want to give a shout out to. It is Darth Vader Kid, but you might get on to some disturbing results. So remember, type Darth Vader, no space, then Kid with the space. So yeah, that'll be all, and remember, always be yourself.